Hi, today we're talking about Choir Signup Form. So this is for the people who are looking to join choirs and anyone who looks to apply for this, they can utilize this form. So basically, we have a form builder section where the entire form is defined. You can obviously play around with the entire form and customize all the fields as per your choice. But once all the things are filled in and submit button is clicked, you can see the responses that come over here under the responses view. So we will go to the form builder, we'll click on share form and then we'll click on copy form link. This will copy the link of the entire form which we need to use. And we need to expose this link or provide this link to the particular person who is looking to fill out the form. So once the form gets loaded up, we can fill out the entire form and then we will able to capture the responses one by one. So let us wait while the form is getting loaded up. So now it is loaded up. So let us quickly fill out the form with random information which we have. So I'm quickly just filling out random stuff over here without any context of what we're trying to do. So I filled in everything from start to end. I'll click on submit. As I do that, you can see the response has now been submitted. And if I go back to the form, under the responses view, I can see the new response has come up over here. So this is how quick, easy, and simple it is to utilize this form builder to get the actual responses from the particular person. Obviously, you can edit and customize these fields. You can make the fields mandatory, non-mandatory as per your choice. Everything is upon you. We're also going to talk about a new tool, PDF Output. This is a tool that can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes the need of a Notion page, which acts as a source of the template file where you can define the entire PDF document. And you would also need a Notion database, which could have the source of information that would replace on a Notion page. So you need a Notion page and a Notion database for this automation to work. I've added a video of how you can exactly follow the process for invoices. So you can certainly watch this video to understand more about this process and you can replicate this process on your end for any documents for your use case. So you can certainly check out this video and do check out PDF output for your automation needs. You can reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. If you have any questions or queries, I'll be happy to assist you further on that. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.